Love you 3,000.
Ano habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel.
Join our Hack What All You Want challenge now. Simple lang ang mechanics. Join at bit.ly/DextraRevolution and bring your friends and fam to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages and get a chance to win these exciting prizes. Tandaan, the more entries, the more chances of winning. Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Hakot na!
Hi, Miranda. This is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome to another edition of our daily cryptocurrency technical charting, fundamentals, and traders quotient, everything in one channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a technical analysis, and I'll be doing charting. Time check, it's 8:57 p.m. Saturday, April 2, and I'm going to be doing charting for our top 10 coins. Couple of things that I'd like you to know, that the market during weekends is a bit silent, except that there is any massive news. So be mindful that there are times that the market can consolidate or the market can go sideways. When you say consolidation or when you say that the market is consolidating, ang ibig sabihin nun, there is actually a common resistance or support. Meron siyang common price point na sinusunod at doon lang siya nauuntog. And normally, if you go on a support naman, meron siyang common price point na sinusunod sa ilalim. And if you look at the bigger picture or bigger candles, it would normally give you a doji candles or indecisive candles. So let's go ahead and let's actually look into trading or charting our top 10 coins and see what is our guidance on Saturdays and Sundays for the top 10 coins. All right, let's go ahead. Let's start with Bitcoin. So if you're following my charts na binibigay ko sa mga members natin, sinasabi natin that there's actually a potential bounce on the 44,746 area. In this case, talagang doon talaga nag-bounce at nagkaroon ng pag-akyat after the trend resistance breakout here ng Bitcoin, and immediately ito ay umakyat only to be corrected by 618 unang-una from the swing high to swing low. Gagawa na 618 dito. Nagkaroon ng settling there, and of course, sinaray niyang i-penetrate pataas, but of course, may naghihintay dito ng resistance. Doon lang siya sinopla or doon siya sinalo o doon siya binubungan ng resistance. And obviously, on a weekend perspective, sabi nga natin, walang much volume. That's why the formation is on a sideways, and it looks like it's going to be nearing a smaller consolidation or a triangle, so to speak, because a consolidation because meron siyang common support at meron siyang common resistance dito. So aabangan natin that this could be corrected by this line or it could be supported by this line. Either way, merong selling volume, it could be nagkaroon ng doji, it could be ang pwedeng mangyari dito is pwede itong umakyat pataas, but there should be a volume supporting it. And it looks like ito ay, there's obviously a weakening of the buying volume, so it looks like it could potentially go down. No, but of course, meron kang support, and if it doesn't go down, pwede kang mag-abang dito sa taas or dito sa baba. Make sure you're using 1 hour because normally on a weekend, we need 1 hour to confirm our breakouts and breakdowns. Ngayon, it's not necessarily a very, very big consolidation, so potentially yung pwede mangyari is be careful on price breakouts that could just go on a doji or it could go on a parang ganito, no? Ingat sa mga ganito ha. So that's the reason why I always say confirmation candle. So mga ganitong linya, akala mo breakdown na yan but it did not even confirm. Ergo, the price did not really go down. So ingat sa ganyan na. And of course, ang ating forecast during the weekend, unless there's really a good buying volume, Bitcoin can continue to consolidate. But aantayin nyo po itong breakout na to. Maganda-ganda to. Ano? Pag ito nag-breakout, aabang ka pataas, take profit mo ito, scalp mo pag breakout, take profit mo dito, no? As long as maganda yung volume. For me, I will not trade Bitcoin at this point. I will wait for a breakout here or a breakdown here. Okay. That's gonna be for intraday trade. Yan. For position trades, ang aantayin natin dito, mas pinakamaganda is the breakout. For position trades, mag-aantay ako ng breakout at 48,328 pataas, no? Which means na-breakout niya na ang kanyang immediate resistance niya dito. Or in this case, the 48,238 kasi, if you go to the 4-hour candle, the 48,238 is actually a 618 pababa, no? It's actually a 618 pababa going down, no? So let's just try to look into that. Ito po, 48, yan yung area na yan. Ito po yung kanyang 2.618. So obviously, pwede naman natin itong i-align. So 48,319 para mag-align yung dito tsaka yung dito. Okay? So yan po yung ating resistance area for position traders. Do not position yet. Wait for a breakout here because this can be corrected and it could still further go down to a 44,746. Okay? That's it. Okay, and let's now go to the next coin that we are going to chart. Okay. Let's now go to our next coin, Dogecoin, no? So, ito chinart ko to kanina. I've sent this to the members. I was waiting for a breakout or a breakdown. Apparently, because effective yung ating charting, nagkaroon po, finalo po niya yung prison candles. And dyan po pumapasok yung gaano kagaling yung ating system, no? So from a system perspective, the Coach Miranda Miner system, you're not going to enter until you see a confirmation candle, no? So in this case, pag akala mong breakout na to, talo ka kaagad dyan, and that's obviously something that tinuturo natin in my system, that you should not be entering those types of candle formations na wala pong breakouts confirmations, no? So antayin niyo po yan. Watch out for Dogecoin. That's gonna be a potential good coin for a good breakout or a breakdown because it's gonna be almost, this is March 28, so almost 1 week, no, of resistance. And obviously, maganda siya kasi if you think of this one, swing high to swing low, itong area na pong ito, this is actually a 618 correction area, no? So it's also going to be a confirmation of a 618 breakout. Pag nag-breakout po yan dyan, magiging take profit po ninyo is going to be your 618 area. So when nag-breakout, take profit ka sa 0.1477. May nakaabang doon na major resistance area. Okay, let's now go to the next coin. Let's now go to BNB. To be honest with you, I will not trade BNB at this point. I don't see good volume. You could probably do it on scalping, but I don't see a good volume. And alanganin sa 618 and medyo umangat na siya, no? So it's not gonna be a grade A trade for me. Otherwise, I will wait kasi meron ding resistance area dito, no, na binubuo. Otherwise, I will wait for confirmation of the 446 breakout. Kailangan gumawa ng candle pataas with a good volume and I can trade it, and ang take profit ko dyan is gonna be at $500. Okay, let's now go with ADA. So for ADA po, actually chinart na po natin ito mga nakakaraang araw. Meron po tayong 1.26 and 1.29 na correction area. Either way, if you actually go on a 1 hour, I always use 1 hour po, no? Sabi po natin naman nakakaraan, ito ay potentially magbabounce on a 1.13, which is our potential plotted bounce area. Sinubukan po niyang i-penetrate pababa, pero hindi naman po siya nanalo. Tumaas po siya ng tumaas, no? So let's look at your MACDs, no? From a MACD perspective, left hand, So talagang bumaba po talaga siya. And obviously meron kang TRLSBD dito or TLSBD, nag-breakdown pababa, buti na lang sumalo pataas. So pag ganyan ang ginagawa ng coin, magigagawa ka ng support niyo dito from this to this. Ito yung magiging support area mo. No? And obviously you can do a triangle here. Ito yung magiging triangle of life mo, ika nga. Okay? Let's now go with Ethereum. Alam mo, I'm very, very bullish with Ethereum. No? Pataas to ng pataas, nagkaroon lang ng confirmation ng pagbaba because Bitcoin went down as well. Nagkaroon ng panic selling because si Bitcoin kasi gumawa ng TLSBD, no? Yan, no? Na breakout siya because it's a technical support breakdown. Wala, for me, it's pure price action. I don't see any major big driver na nag-drive niyan. Siyempre, since Ethereum is 0.85 correlated to Bitcoin, sumabay pababa si Ethereum but eventually naka-recover. At ang sistilan talaga dito at some point kasi, you're going to notice that Bitcoin is already showing a sign of a big left hand. So, ito pong triangle na to, this is gonna be your bearish wedge or your rising wedge. Ingat po kayo dito, use this as your guide. No? Support, resistance, use this as your guide to guide you where can this coin potentially go. At kailangan po natin, of course, week to week tayo Yan, week to week, and make sure na alam po ninyo yan. Ito na lang po yung triangle of life mo. So, FYI dyan. Okay? Oy, by the way, palike naman ang ating channel if you don't mind. Sige na, please. Sige na. And of course, please subscribe to our channel kung bago ka po sa aking channel. Please click subscribe para mabilis po tayong maka-influensya pa ng mga taong we want to be able to help. Sama mo na yung family mo. Sama mo na yung mga kapatid mo. Mama, pa-subscribe kay Coach Kamo. Salamat po at God bless you. Alright, let's now go with Solana. Okay, Solana nagkaroon ng breakout 140. There's actually a technical resistance here. Binasag, umaakit siya lalo. So I don't necessarily see a reason for it to go down yet. I don't see a left hand at this point. So mukhang tataas ito. At let's now go on a 1 day. Yan. From a 1 day perspective, 148 is the next resistance. So pwede pa siya umakyat. Abang lang for a 148 technical resistance or a Fibonacci resistance. For me, it's a possession trade for Solana. No, napakaganda ng kanyang formation. Sinasabi ko po ito sa aking video sa mga nakakaraan that Solana is a potential, tataas pa yan. But make sure that naabangan po ninyo ang inyong mga resistance areas because at the end of the day, kahit sabihin natin natataas yan, the market can say otherwise. So, make sure you always put your stop losses. Okay, let's now go with XRP. Ayan, abangan nyo po itong line na ito. I've already plotted this. I will do a position trade here. Mag-aabang po ako ng breakout pataas ng confirmation because mahaba-haba po ito. No? This is actually a wow! It's a multi-month trend resistance breakout. So pag ito bumasag, abangan mo na. Abangan mo yan. This is April. Wow, 1 year, no? So, abangan mo na to. Nako, malapit na to. Sa akin mo lang narinig yan, FYI. Okay? Let's now go with Polkadot. Congratulations to the Polkadot Cup holders. Now, ang laro natin dito is this triangle, no? It can actually create still a cup and handle formation. Pwede mag-retrace. So, aabangan mo dyan is this area and this area. Let's now go to the intraday 1 hour. Okay? Wow! Ay, malapit na to, guys. Naku, ang ganda ng volume. Yan, nag-breakout na. Naku. Maganda to. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. Maganda. I will change this to green now. Abangan nyo yan, Polkadot. And of course, let's now go. Teka lang. I'll put green for XRP as well. Mga candidates natin. Of course, Ethereum is our candidate. Okay. I will not go rose, obviously. Let's now go with Axie. Axie, wag niyo munang i-trade because gumagawa ito ng left hand or ng hidden divergence. Almost the same price. Pataas kahit pa paano meron itong correction area and the price is actually creating a divergence on MACD. So, I'm not gonna be confident to be bullish on Ethereum at this point. In fact, nagre-retrace po yung coin. So, nagkaroon ng correction at 73 resistance area and it could potentially even go down. So, pag umakyat pa yan, gawa ka na lang dito ng TLSBD or support line sa ilalim na to. Okay? What else have I not? I think I've covered everything. Let's now go. Isama ko na si Gala. So si Gala, meron din siyang anomaly because Gala is also correlated to Bitcoin kahit pa paano. Although maliit lang, no? But bumaba lahat po ng coin. But since nagkaroon ng anomaly, inakyat ulit niya. So this is gonna be your triangle of life. Alright. Napakaganda naman ng mga coins natin. No? Bitcoin. Ayun. Nakasabi ko lang po. No? So yan. Within that triangle, parang chopsticks. Abangan mo na yan. Alright, so yun muna guys. With that said, sana po natulungan kayo ng program natin. Please go to my channel and learn how to chart Bitcoin correctly para kahit papano you can definitely become really, really profitable tulad ni Coach Miranda Miner. Uy, sabihin ko lang sa'yo that I really love the month of March. Kasi itong month of March, maaga pa lang quota na ako, no? And I was able to really maximize our month of March. As a matter of fact, ito po pakita ko po sa inyo. As a month of March, ito po buong March po buong month ng March, I'm perfect win rate in Ethereum. 10%, 26%, 7%, 8%, 0.9%, 16, 10, 20, 15%. Ayun po yung page number 1. And the last page is actually here as well. No, meron tayong 8% and 22% for the month of March. I'm very, very happy because lagi po tayong pumapasok sa mga tamang position and we're always profitable. Ganon din ang gagawin ninyo if you're actually in a position for a particular coin. Dapat or before kayo mag-position, you always plan your trades because kakayanin mo din maging really profitable only if you make sure that you are planning your trades and you are trading your plan. Get to know more about our system by logging into www.globalmirandaminer.com. Maraming salamat kay Miranda. Have a good Saturday at mag-iingat kayo lagi. I love you 3,000. Salamat.